In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up posts and pages in Blogger. Backing up your Blogger content is a smart habit, especially if you want to keep a safe copy of your posts and pages before making major changes to your site. This process gives you a downloadable file that you can store on your computer for future use. It only takes a few moments, and once you know where to look, it's very straightforward. To begin, log into your Blogger dashboard using your Google account. After you're signed in, make sure you're looking at the correct blog. If you manage more than one blog, go to the menu in the top left corner and select the specific blog you want to back up. This is important because the backup will only apply to the blog you currently have selected. Once you've chosen the right blog, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Settings. This area contains a wide range of options related to your blog, so you may need to scroll a bit to find what you need. Keep scrolling down through the settings page until you reach the section called Manage Blog. In that section, you'll see an option labeled Backup Content. Click on that option to continue. Blogger will then open a small pop-up window where you can confirm that you want to create a backup of your content. In the pop-up, click the Download button. Blogger will then generate a file for you to save. This file will be in XML format, which is a common file type used for exporting and storing structured website content such as posts and pages. When your browser prompts you to save the file, choose a safe and easy to remember location on your computer. For example, you might save it in a dedicated folder for website backup so it's easier to find later. It's also a good idea to use a clear file name or keep note of the download date, especially if you plan to create backups regularly. And that's it. Once the XML file has been saved, your Blogger posts and pages have been backed up successfully. Keeping regular backups can help protect your content and give you peace of mind in case you ever need to restore or reference your blog data in the future. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to back up posts and pages in Blogger.